remember, you know, shit, growing up in Enterprise, Mississippi, and shit, all we knew was trying to create trails, damn, dirt roads, and playing outside, and not on any type of electronic devices, man. Sometimes we gotta do that. You gotta unplug. We got all this energy source around us. We got all of this modern technology that is great. Don't get me wrong, but it's draining the hell out of us. Literally draining your energy. So I don't know. Try what I do, man. Right now I'm laying in the grass. Literally, I'm laying in the grass, trying to release